Hey friends, have you ever wondered if a computer could look at the picture and instantly know what it is? Welcome back to Codex Academy. Today, we will build an amazing AI image sorter. We will train our AI to recognize car and cups and different objects. Then watch it automatically sort each image into the correct category. So, are you ready to train your very first AI and see it recognize images like magic? So, let's jump into Scratch and start building. So, first, we'll open our browser and here we'll type machine learning for kids. Now just click enter and here we'll open in new tab this first option. Great. Now if you have already account, you can log in or directly you can click on get started, and here also you can click on try it now. Great. Now we are going to create our new project. So here we'll click on add a new project. Here we are going to sorting the images. So I will give the name of this project sorting of images. Any name you can give. Now the project type, because here computer should recognize the image, then only it able to sort it out. So we'll choose recognizing images, and storage we will choose in your web browser. Now we'll click on create. Great, our project is created. Click. Now what we need to do? We need to train our model. So here what we are going to do, here we are going to sorting out between two different objects like car or cup. So first what I am going to do, I will create two labels. One is car, another one is cup. Here we'll type car. Okay, you can see our label is created. Here you can upload as many images you want. You can use the webcam to show different images of particular object, or you can draw, or you can upload the file also. It's up to you what you want. Here I'm taking the images from the internet and directly I will do drag and drop and put it over here to train my model. So what I'm going to do, I will open Google over here, and here I will search for car and I'm going to images. Now you can see multiple images of car available on Google. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag and drop car images in this label. How? Just pick the image and drop it here. As many images you will put, your model will train very well. So how many images you want, you can put to make your model more precise, more confident about the object. So as many images you can put is up to your choice. Okay, you can see so many images I have put over here. Great. Now what I'm going to do, I will create one more label and here I will give the name cup. Good. Now again what I'm going to do, I will search cup images over here. I will type cup. Okay, and as many images you want to put in the cup, you can drag and drop like this. You can see around 35 images we have uploaded for car, and now we are going to upload the images of cup. It's done. So you can see so many images we have uploaded to train our model regarding car and cup. Now what I'm going to do, I will click on back to project, and here we'll click on learn and test. You can see we have uploaded 35 images of car and 19 images of cup. Now we'll click on train new machine learning model. It's uploading the data which we have collected to train our model. Okay, now if you want to test your model, you can use the webcam. Just you can put any toy car or cup in front of the webcam and allow the computer to recognize it. You can draw it or you can test with the file. By uploading the file, you can test your model. Suppose I'll choose drawing, and here I will draw a rough diagram of cup. And now I will test. It say cup with 98% confidence. Now our model is able to recognize the difference between car and cup. So what I'm going to do, we'll go back to the project again and we'll click on make. Now directly we'll go to Scratch 3 because we have trained our model. There are blocks which belongs to sorting the images we require. It's showing over here. Now these blocks you can find out in Scratch 3. So this is our Scratch 3 screen. You can see we have trained our model. That is why sorting of images block palette automatically come over here, and the images, because we have choose recognizing images model, that's why this block palette is also added over here. You can see these are the blocks present in images and these are the blocks are present in sorting of images. Here we have made two labels, one is car and second one is cup. So according to that, the customized label blocks are generated. Now ready for magic? We have trained our model. Directly what you can do, you can upload so many images as sprite over here, or you can use to check your project is working fine or not. Here you can directly download some images belongs to car and cup as sprite from the project template with some basic coding. So what we are going to do, instead of downloading all the images or directly we upload as a sprite, I will show you how easily we can create image sorting project with the help of this project template. Here we'll choose this car or cup. Okay, and now our project template is loaded. You can see here, right here, if I'll click just the images, you can see it's come in a single line. Car and cup, both images are mixed together and one by one they are coming in a single line. If we'll go to the costume, you can see there are total 22 images available, right? And now if we'll go back to code, I will make you understand what type of coding is done over here. First is showing when green flag click, the all images should not be shown when we click start. And here the Y position is set over here and the item should be 0. Item is the variable is created. The item is changed by 1 when it start making clone. Then item only change by 1, and if the item value is less than 23, as I show you there are 22 images, so if the item value is less than 23, here you can upload more images as well if you want, or different characters images also you can upload. You need to train your model first and then afterwards you can add more images of different characters over here, and then switch costume to item because these are our item. So according to that, the costume should be switched to the item. It show when the clone start to create and go to front, so it will show in the front layer, and its position X and Y should be 0, so that's why it is centralized in one position, and it glide for 1 second. X would be 0 but Y would be, we have set already, so it will move accordingly, and the Y value will change by -14. That's why from the top it go, you can see all the images, they are not going to overlap completely each other. The little bit distance between each images, that distance is just because change Y by -14 and then create clone of myself. So this all coding is belongs to how these images arrange in a one row and all the images are visible, so you can easily count them. Now what kind of the changes we need to do? From our hand we need to sort these images in two category. One is car, another one is cup. I want whenever I just click on the green flag, our machine should recognize the images and it able to sort it out into two different categories. Okay, so let's start. Here a very little basic coding we need to do. If condition, I'm going to control and take if condition, and this if condition is regarding what? If the recognized image which available over here, if the recognized image is equal to car. Okay, for that I'm going to sorting of images, and here I will take recognizing images, and next one is car, and I will take equal block from operator and I will put this one over here. And now which kind of images we have? These are costume images because they are present as sprite, not backdrop, not webcam. So we'll take costume image. It means if the costume recognized image, that is costume image, is equal to car, what should happen? I want it should be glide and it will move to this side. Okay, for that what I'm going to do, I will take glide block from motion and I will put it over here and make it duplicate because I want it will rotate like this and it will go like this. And here X position pick random, I'm going to operator block and take pick random in both. Okay, and here the position which one I want to set, that is minus 210 to minus 100. You can change it and make according to your choice. And the next one is 100 and 210. Here the y value will make it fix it out, because y value, it should be set according to this block programming. So we'll take our y variable and put it over here. Okay, done. You can see. Great. Now what I'm going to do, I will take this block and paste it here. Done. I will show you how this simple coding will work. I just click on the green flag and you will see how the car images get sorted out from all the cups. Okay. See, it's go that side. Cup is here only, but the car, it gets sorted out and it's going at one direction. The system is recognizing which is cup or which is car. Easily, it gets sorted out all the car in a separate direction and cup at the center. Why all cup images at center? Because we have not done any coding for cup till now. We have done only for cars. So automatically it only separated out cars and all the cup images are come at the center. You can see how smoothly this sorting has been done. And now if you want, all these cup images also should come at that side. That also you can do. How? I will make this code duplicate and put it over here. This one I don't want. And here I will choose if my recognized image is not a car. I will take not block and I will put this complete block here. Okay, if my image is not a car, what should happen? It should go this side, not in mid or not at the place of car. I will move this block up and this one is down. And now I'll place this block over here. Simple coding, just we set the place, cup should move this side and car should move this side whenever we'll click on green flag. Do you want to see the effect? So before that, we can add some music also here to make this sorting more interesting. Take when green flag click, forever loop, go to sound, and here we'll take any loop sound. Like I will choose audio song, make it softer, and now go back to code. And here I will choose play sound odd song until done. And now we'll click on full screen, and here is the magic. Great. Wow, you can see how easily cup moved to opposite direction of car. How the machine easily recognize the difference between car and cup. And it's going to sorting out very smoothly, right? So it's up to us how well we train our model to recognize the images and its function as per our wish, right? So you can see how smoothly computer able to recognize all the images and sorting out. With the help of this kind of model, you can easily create amazing projects belongs to sorting of images, recognize the images and use all the characters as per your wish. Great. I hope you like and understand this video. Try this and tell me if it is work for you. I'm waiting for your comments. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.